back cooking with Chef P and Bonz. And if you were with me in the preparation of the stuffed New York strip, we're about to take it out the oven. Okay, family? Goes a little something like this. Okay, that New York strip is coming out of the oven. Okay, we got that New York strip. It's coming out of the oven. So we're gonna sit it here. I wanted to rest for a minute, family. So, I got to slice this bad baby up. So, I need a nice edge on my knife. Okay? All right. Chef is gonna put that edge on his knife, like so. I'm gonna set that aside. And this lovely entree is gonna go on a bed of romaine tossed greens, okay? Goes a little something like this. The coolest chef in all the land. Okay, so I have my trusty bowl here. What I'm gonna do right about now is take my tossed greens. I'm gonna put the tossed greens right in this bowl, like so, family. Okay? So I got my greens in. Romaine lettuce has a lot of vitamins in it. Okay, so we got the greens in. So let's start to bring out the color contrast. Okay, let's go with carrots. Carrots is always good. Okay, good for you, healthy. Let's go with a little red cabbage. Red cabbage is always good, and it's healthy. Okay. Yeah, there we go. This lovely entree. And let's go with some red and orange sliced peppers on this lovely salad. Now keep in mind, the stuffed steak is, the stuffed New York strip is resting. So, what else can I put? Oh, let's go with some feta cheese on this. We're gonna put some nice feta on here, family. Feta cheese. And you can put anything you want on here. You know, you can bring it out with some plum tomatoes and some red onions, if you like. Okay, I'm gonna set this lovely salad over here. Then, I'm gonna go over here and bring that steak over here. Okay, family, the steak is here, so I'm gonna go up under that steak and I'm gonna put it right on my cutting board here. Then we're gonna commence to slicing this up. Okay, let's slice on the end first, okay? Okay. We have the rice on the center. We're gonna put that on each end, okay? Let's slice those ends first. The rice is in the center. I'll put that there. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty of the center. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty of the center, family. Okay, we're gonna slice these like so. And we're gonna slice, we're gonna put these right on top of the salad. As you can see, the center of that stuff, you got the salmon and the rice, okay? So, the chef job is to slice it even more. Okay, I'm gonna slice, put that there like so. Woo, okay. Let's get one more slice out of this. Out of this lovely entree. Okay. We are almost done. So we're gonna do that like that. Then I'm gonna set the rest aside, family. And you can use any dressing that you like for this entree, okay? I decided to use ranch because ranch, you can use any kind of vinaigrette you want. But we're gonna take this lovely entree like so. And we're gonna squeeze a little ranch all over this like so, family. We're gonna highlight this with a little ranch. And voila, that stuffed New York strip with salmon and saffron rice over a bed of tossed greens by Chappie and Bonz. Because I love what I do, family. That's what makes the world go round. The ups and downs, the carousel. Chappie and Bonz be changing things both times around. I'm right here in your face. Bones in the buckets featuring Chappie makes the world go round and round. Bones in the buckets make the world go round. Ooh. Bon appetit. Happy Wednesday. God bless.